Welcome to class 10 biology children. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2. Chapter 1 is completed and chapter 1 important points from textbook explanation also completed. Now we are going to discuss chapter 2, respiration. Okay, so its caption is the energy producing system. Respiration, and its caption is the energy producing system. Producing means releasing. What it releases energy in our body. That is why this system is also named as the energy producing system. So which system releases energy in our body? Respiratory system. Respiratory system releases energy in our body. Okay, respiration, it is mainly followed by two steps. One is inhalation. Next one is exhalation. Exhalation is also called expiration. Expiration. In the similar way, inhalation is also called inspiration. Respiration is mainly followed by how many steps? Two steps. Step 1, inhalation. Step 2, exhalation. Inhalation is also called inspiration. Next, exhalation is also called expiration. What will happen in inhalation? In inhalation, always we can take the atmospheric gases. Into our internal system. Taking of oxygen is carried out in inhalation process or inspiration process. Next, in exhalation, what will happen? Removal of CO2. What in about CO2? Carbon dioxide. Removal of carbon dioxide and some other gases. Stop. Okay. In exhalation process, removal of carbon dioxide along with some other unwanted gases can be carried out. In inhalation process, taking of oxygen. Not only oxygen, we can take other gases also, but our lungs has the capacity to absorb only oxygen. So taking of oxygen can be carried out in inhalation or in inspiration. Next, removal of carbon dioxide can be carried out in exhalation or expiration. What will happen because of this respiration process? This respiration releases energy in our body. Energy in the form of heat. Along with the production of energy, it releases carbon dioxide also. And it synthesizes a small amount of water also in our body. Okay, so respiration releases energy in the form of heat. What is our body temperature? Normal body temperature is 98.3 degrees Fahrenheit, or in Celsius 36 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this normal body temperature can be maintained by the respiration process. Okay, so it releases energy in the form of heat. It is useful to maintain normal body temperature, and it releases carbon dioxide, and it synthesizes a small amount of water also. Okay, so here in chapter 2 we have two activities. These two activities can give us information about respiration releases carbon dioxide, and respiration releases energy in the form of heat. Now in this class we are going to discuss two activities. Which activities? Respiration releases carbon dioxide and respiration releases energy or heat in the body. Which body? Animal body or maybe plant body. All the living organisms, plants, animals or any other living organisms, they can perform respiration, and they will take oxygen and releases carbon dioxide in the respiration. Even plants also, even plants in respiration process, they takes oxygen and they release carbon dioxide. Plants in respiration, they takes oxygen like us and they releases carbon dioxide. Now we are going to discuss two activities which they gives us information about. Respiration releases carbon dioxide, respiration releases energy in the form of heat. Okay children, now I am going to write those activities. Stop. Okay children, now we are going to discuss activity. Which activity? Carbon dioxide is released during respiration process. Carbon dioxide is released during respiration process. This activity we are going to observe now. Okay. So here what is our aim? To prove CO2 is released during respiration. What is our aim? To prove CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide. It is symbol of CO2. It is symbol of carbon dioxide. CO2 is released during respiration. This is our aim. Materials required and procedure we will see after drawing the diagram. You also draw the diagram along with me. It is very important diagram and a very important activity also. You also draw the diagram. Okay. It is a large glass beaker. Large glass beaker. First we need to take a large glass beaker. Next, in that beaker we need to fill it with a few grams of sprouts. Sprouts means moong dal or bajra dal or whatever maybe it is. Germinating seeds you need to take. So what do you know about these? These are sprouts. Sprouts. Sprouts means germinating seeds. In our textbook we had taken moong dal seeds or bajra seeds. Okay. So take a large glass beaker. In that glass beaker fill it with a few grams of sprouts. Sprouts means germinating seeds. Next, along with these germinating seeds we need to take a small glass beaker. In that large glass beaker and fill it with a few ml of lime water. Lime water means in Telugu it is called sunnam neeru. What it is called? Sunnam neeru. So take few ml of lime water. Few ml of lime water. Next, now cover the mouth of that large glass beaker with a rubber cork. I think you know very well about it. Rubber cork or with any lid. So this is rubber cork. Rubber cork. Or cover it with a lid. If you don't have rubber cork, you may cover it with a lid. Okay. So see the materials required for this process. Aim completed. To prove CO2 is released during respiration. Materials required: a large glass beaker, few grams of sprouts. Next, a small glass beaker. This is small glass beaker. Small glass beaker. Small glass beaker. Okay. A large glass beaker, rubber cork, few grams of sprouts or germinating seeds, small glass beaker. Next, lime water. These are the materials required for this process. Now, procedure. Now I am going to explain you procedure. Take a large glass beaker, fill it with a few grams of sprouts. Sprouts means germinating seeds. Next, along with those germinating seeds, we need to keep a small glass beaker. with a few ml of lime water in it. Now cover the mouth of large glass beaker with a suitable rubber cork. Wait for few hours. After few hours, if you observe the lime water present in the large glass beaker, it turns milky white. Which color? Milky white color. It turns milky white color. How does this happening? During the process of respiration done by the sprouts, they releases a gas. That gas is carbon dioxide. These germinating seeds releases carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide simply reacts with lime water and it forms a milky white colored precipitate. Okay, whenever the beaker, small beaker acquires a milky white color precipitate, then we can say that the carbon dioxide released in the large glass beaker, it is only done by the respiration of sproutings. Okay, germinating seeds can perform respiration and they releases carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide reacts with lime water. Lime water can be converted into milky white color, which indicates that the carbon dioxide is released during respiration. Okay children, did you understand? So in this activity, we proved carbon dioxide is released during respiration. Now we are going to discuss next activity. In that activity, we are going to observe the production of heat during respiration. Okay children? Stop.